I trust Udimi for my marketing needs.
Because it's a fast and simple way to get high quality clicks
to any website
for a very low rate.
I can get as many clicks as I want, or, just a few, because they've got
really small minimum.
With Udimi, I've found it unbelievably easy
to get verified, affordable clicks to my website.
It's just been a huge weight off of my shoulders.
I have a reliable source of traffic available to me at all times.
They offer me a vast network of solo ad sellers with real verified reviews
at a much lower rate
than I get with Google,
Facebook,
or banners.
It's fantastic.
So I appreciate that a whole lot, yeah.
I wanted to do a quick review of Udimi Solos. If you have a website and you have a link, these people are going to get you opt-ins and they're going to get you sales.
I've found Udimi easy to use and easy to profit from.
All I do is I buy clicks from one of their many reputable sellers,
and within a few days, a waterfall of sales,
a flood,
starts pouring in.
I mean, it really is amazing.
I rely on Udimi for my business because
they're using their flagship premier filtering system
to ensure that I'm only paying for real, useful visitors who are coming to my website
because they genuinely want to know what I have to offer them.
Now, what I like about Udimi is that you get clean clicks, okay? You get clean clicks, not rubbish or bot traffic.
It doesn't cost a lot to get fantastic traffic.
For amounts of money I wouldn't even bother picking up if I dropped it on the ground.
I can get a handful of real sales.
If you're looking for traffic that's affordable to build an email list, create leads, and down the line get you some sales on whatever it is that you're actually marketing, Udimi is the place to be.
I'm able to order countless clicks each month knowing that I'm going to get
exactly what I paid for each time.
I simply buy from high quality sellers with 100% verified reviews.
And I know that if they don't deliver my clicks within just 100 hours,
Udimi is going to automatically refund any undelivered clicks
without me having to lift a finger. It really is easy.
Udimi is basically a social network chock full of marketers
who have already succeeded in their respective fields,
who are ready to market to their audiences on my behalf
for just pennies on the dollar of what I have to pay at those major ad networks.
And Udimi.com is basically a solo ad warehouse. If you were wanting to know where to get some good solo ads from, this is a real good resource. And what you have here, you just have a whole one-stop shop.
If I get 1,000 clicks and only one is of any real value,
Udimi will only charge me for the one good click, and the rest will just get filtered.
I need to know that every single click I pay for is legit.
And that's why I will only use Udimi.
It doesn't even matter what niche you're in.
If you want an avalanche of low-priced,
high-value traffic,
Udimi
is the only place to go.